Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Sunil, Assistant Professor in Department of Tourism and Hospitality, Mizoram University. Before start the topic, I want to just discuss with my few research area. My research area is culinary heritage, digital marketing, and I already published the book on digital marketing for PG student, ICT in hospitality, food quality management, and textbook for culinary educations. And if I talk about my experience in web designing and hosting, I'm running my department website dthmmzu.in, and recently I developed my school website samizmzu.in. That is in the process, and it's my personal website sunilkumar.com, and that is my recently association I started, mizoramculinary.in, and that is our my past institute website ICI-Tirupati.in, ihmraipur.com. Other website I design and host ICI-Noida.com, and few more website I already manage. And recently I started Mizoram Culinary Association. I am founder and president, and recently I am try to connect with the different restaurant and chef in Mizoram state. So that's all related to myself. And now I want to talk about my today topic, in which I want to start the business Mizoram Food Heritage app. And in that app I am providing the recipes of Mizo food, document and culinary guide and dietary diversity I want to include in my that applications. As you know, my experience is related to food and digital. That's why that is my expert area. That's why I want to select that types of business. In if I talk about that culinary heritage and digital preservation, it also protect the Mizo food tradition in Mizoram state. And when I go for the secondary data, that types of study or documentation on digital platform is not available till date. So that research gap I can fulfill through my that applications. The primary goal of this project to create the technological advancement recipes app, and that should address the diversity of the need. As you know, nowadays a lot of the disease and a lot of the problem is also coming in our society. So through that app I can suggest some recipe for the diabetes patient or different problem. So that kind of things also I'm planning to include in my that applications. So that applications focus on culinary heritage, dietary diversity, personalizations, technology integration of the community engagement and innovations. If I'm talking about the problem statement, my research gap I already discussed also. Mizo culinary tradition, that is also lacking in documentations, and lot of the oral communications recently available. So I need to document in a proper, in a detailed way with the image and with video. So that application market, if I'm talking about the market of that application recipe app, so global market of projected to grow 1.2 billion in 2023 to 2.5. So 9.7 CAGR is a growth in that sector. So that is also emerging trend going on, and that is another significance that is also help us to preserve our culture of the Mizoram state, and also motivate the young people to use that recipe in their restaurant. The solution I am providing, I'm providing the authentic Mizo recipes with the video and some cultural insight with option of the vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, dietary-free, different segment of the recipes I am providing, and try to add some fusion new methods so that I can develop the Indo-Mizo Chinese recipes or some other types of the new fusion recipes. I'm also try to include in that recipe features. So that different game and quiz, that section is also I want to include, so that those who are preparing the preparation for the examination in the hotel management, so they can go through that and they can enrich their knowledge related to food also. The market target audience in that app is food lover, food tourism and local consumer, and preserve their heritage. Growing the global interest in the culinary heritage and regional cuisine. Regional food heritage in India is gaining very attractions, especially in a niche cuisine, because till date northeastern cuisine and in Mizo food is not as such popular as compared to North Indian food or South Indian food. Business model and revenue, in which I'm going to provide the subscriptions, premium subscription if you want to access the any special recipe, or if you required any personalized recipe. So that kind of charges, we are gaining a profit through that. Culinary tour booking with the local chef, that kind of features we are providing, so that if any tourist want to explore the food of the Mizoram state, so we try to make a one group of the local chef, and through that we are providing that booking system. In app purchase of any exclusive report, any content related to the ingredient and lot of data, that is also another model for the revenue. Sponsored content, some ad like digital ad we are providing. The different dietary recommendation consultancy, these all things are the revenue model. Marketing and sales strategy. First, we are going to launch via the social media and different influencer, local partnership with the different restaurant. That is our planning to start that applications and collaborate with the Mizo food bloggers and chef of the local community. Social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, that platform we are planning to use, and local partnership with local restaurant and hotels, and content marketing through the animated image, blog and video that we are using the channels. Competitive analysis, the advantage, specialized focus on Mizo cuisine, blending with the preservations, food tourism, dietary diversity and food educations. These are our advancement features in that applications. So we are going to serve the different recipes through that applications, and we are integrate with the different AI and ML technology, so that they can suggest some ingredient, and with that main ingredient we can suggest some recipe. For example, in their kitchen they have only 3 ingredient. So with that 3 ingredient, what types of food they can prepare. So with the help of AI, we can provide that kind of the features and facility also, and we integrate with the AI. Like nowadays, AI agent is also very famous. Recently I developed one AI agent, so in which we just specify the task, what they need to do, and then we give one command. So like that way, I will create the food AI agent, and in which the respondent or consumer or the viewer of that who visit in that app, they just give the details of the ingredient or anything, so automatically it create the content for the consumer or for the visitor. First year, our financial first year, we are focused on app development and initial user to subscription and culinary tour. First we are focused. In next year we are going to focus expanding our user base and partnership with our restaurant, and next year we are expanding our the northeastern other cuisine in year 3 and 4 to 5, in which we are trying to include Nagaland food or other northeastern food after that. And for that fund we required 2 lakh rupees for development of the content and the marketing purpose. And 50% of that budget we are spending on app development, and because app development is the most important things, because app should be very interactive, that's why that much of amount is required to invest in that applications, so that we integrate with the AI and personalized content we are providing. So that's why we are further distributed our budget in that technology part, backend development, AI integration, and test and debugging, UI design. So these 1 lakh rupees, that is the further division. Next is content creations. We are spending 30% of the budget, 60,000, and in which 20,000 we are spending on recipe documentations, in which we are document the authentic recipes, collect the data from different part, and photography and videography 25,000, high quality of the image, and video, and some copywriting and translations. As you know, mostly content available in Mizo language also, so that we can provide that Mizo recipe in other language also, like in Hindi, English, or any other regional language also, so that Mizo food should be popular in other part of the country also. Technology integrations, in which we are spending the 20%, 40,000, the cloud storage and hosting, AI algorithm, API integrations. So that is the further component for that technology integrations. These are the our phase for timeline. First phase, 3 to 4 months to research with the Mizo chef and home cook to collect the content. In second phase, we are develop the app features like recipe database and some video, some culinary tour we are develop. And next phase, we are beta launch small and feedback, collect the feedback related to that app's features, and on the basis of that we can improvise our features. And in the next within 6 months, we are launch our applications, and after that we are start the marketing also. And 12 to 18 months from the concept to the launch, that is the timeline. The key features: digital recipe with cultural storytelling and different method of the preparations, culinary tours, interactive content. They can interact for a lot of hyperlink we are providing in our recipe, so that they can lend to that report also. Cultural insight, educational resource, if any book or any content related to Mizo food, so we are going to hyperlink that content also. The potential impact of that application on food culture preservation, that is the one impact. Another is culinary growth in the Mizoram state, that is the impact of that business. And next is entrepreneurship. So local chef and business, those who are running business related to food, so they will be get the benefit through that application, because we are going to partnership with that restaurant and hotels, and we are promoting them also on that applications. So they get the more business, or new persons can also learn lot of new thinking how they can start their food business. So that kind of content we are also providing, how you can start a small food outlets, lot of content we are providing. So these are the trend community benefits, and we can scale Mizoram to other northeastern India. So that's all from my side related to Mizo food applications.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you,
Sunil. Very impressive presentation. Are you working alone, or you have a Mizo partner as well?
At present, one research scholar working with me, and she is also pursuing PhD related to Mizo food, in which we are going to check the consumption pattern and eating habits of Mizo food in that research.
Okay, just one question, Dr. Sunil. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
I feel that you will have a YouTube channel. Because you are presently
Sir, I have 4 YouTube channel and 5 Facebook ID.
Okay.
And I'm running approximate 9 Facebook page.
Okay.
Even my one Facebook page, NCHM City, have more than 15,000 followers.
Okay.
So I'm so active on that.
You're very active on social media.
Social media.
Okay, great. So basically, you are planning to develop an app.
Yes.
Which will document the Mizo cuisine. And
yes.
Then basically, also you will be giving exclusive content of some exclusive recipes.
Yes.
Which should be available for subscribers, or for available for in-app purchases.
Yes.
So basically, you'll be your main revenue source will be basically from the
subscription. Subscription ad. Another is ad, sponsored ad. And if we are partner with the restaurant, so we are some partnership with that. If we are promoting your business, so you should give some profit share with us, like that. Per click basis, we maybe get revenue system. That is also another way of marketing, earning money. How many views you received through my applications, so on the basis of that we can receive
recipe that you have actually downloaded, so that revenue stream based, no?
Yes.
Per unit cost. If subscription is per monthly or something like that,
yes.
In 1 month he could actually download the whole recipe.
Yes. So we have some restricted thing. restricted thing. Nowadays, a lot of new technology is also available. So we are not providing that content that they cannot download, but they can view. But definitely, a lot of other features, technology is also available. They may be download,
They can
but screenshot and lot of things. But that's why we are try to integrate with the different technology and app development. That types of security system is also need to develop. That's why we are spending 1 lakh rupees in app development.
Okay.
Because nowadays that security feature is so important in that business model.
Do you think you can complete the whole app within your budget as you have projected? Because I don't think you'll be able to.
You said 2 lakhs,
develop-
right?
Yes, 2
I
lakh.
don't think you'll be able to develop the app in 2 lakhs.
No, sir, it is too much according to me, because I developed the website only 800 rupees for 1 year.
Okay.
That is my initial cost. Like if I talk about my department website, dthmmzu.in, I'm just using 800 rupees for 1 year, and all hosting and all other thing I'm using the Google Drive, because I also complete the web designing course, and I have the knowledge about the JavaScript and HTML, the language. So that
your hosting will be done in this thing only.
free of cost.
Free of cost.
Free of cost
You're not
hosting.
Spending any money on hosting charges and everything.
No, nothing, sir.
Okay.
You're a chef. Are you a chef?
Yes.
What is your specialty?
Indian food and bakery.
Okay, so I see that you're from Raipur.
Yes, no, previously I'm working in IHM Raipur.
Have you developed this sort of app for other cuisines? Have you done?
Not at present, but I recently developed a different hotel management website.
Okay, so you're a web developer, you're a digital marketing expert,
Yes.
you're a chef, you're
Yes.
an academician.
Yes.
All rolled into one.
Yes. Even
So interesting.
Recently, I organized 2 workshops in KV MZU, in which I give demonstration of cake and cookies making, and in our department chocolate making business. That demonstration already given by me.
My only doubt, sir, is that I see your passion, I see that, but will it be profitable? Are you aiming for profitability or the novelty of it all?
The whole main idea is only not profitable. I want to promote that culinary education in that Mizoram state also, because I belong to that industry and that is my research area. So that is also my duty and responsibility to growth of that my industry. So in that context, I'm also working. That's why I started the Mizoram Culinary Association, so that I can try to provide some consultancy, some training in a Mizoram, so that through that they can learn a lot of whatever knowledge I have, so that I can share through that association.
So your project is not basically profit-driven project.
Yes.
So that it's just driven more by passion than profit.
Yes, even passion, and even I can say it is also promote the heritage part of our Mizoram state also.
Right.
Any more?
Any other questions?